somebody's in the wrong spot. Chance, David, Kenny, Dylan. Then it's Brian, Joe, Wes. There we go. I'm trying to do this smoothly. All right, here we go. Drivers ready, marshals ready. 6 minutes of nonstop, intense, expert AMA in action. Let's go shake and bake at the tone. All right, here we go. Nice and easy at the start. Nice and easy with each other. That's pretty good in the center so far. Let's keep it up. So it's Chance and David, 1 and 2. Dylan in the 3. Looks like Kenny and that's Brian 1 and 5 now. Roll lead us out. Make the points here. Expert stocks coming down to these two up front. The way things are shaping up. Chance and David. Each of them have had a couple throwouts. Races they don't really want to think about anymore. Here they are, 1 and 2. Oh, David, a little love tap right there, but no harm foul does not need a marshal. It just brings a couple guys closer to him, but he was gaining. So you get back up. Oh no, that is Dylan and Kenny upside down. A few more cars are going to get by. Your leaders. David keeping that pickup on 2 wheels. Traction is high. I repeat, traction is high. Another little roll over there for Keebler. So looks like Chance gonna get away. So you see that purple and white buggy coming up to you, makes you give a little bit of room. I think his first victim is gonna be Corey. Meanwhile, there in the middle of the track, that is David Keebler, Kenny Danley, Brian Moore. Oh, bad luck there for Brian, but no marshal needed. And Brian Moore's gonna get around for 3rd. That purple and white car coming up behind Snows. He's gonna let him go just like that. So. Only hit 40 into this, remember these are 6-minute mains. So your leader's got some clean air. Keebler also with a little bit of clean air now. Kenny Danley in the 3. Behind him is Wes and Brian going at it again just from the truck race. There's your leader. Down the straight. Gap between first and second, 4.5 seconds as David just came across the stripe. The leader up over the big jump. 3rd place, taking a tumble in front of him. Might not be 3rd anymore. Yeah, it's going to put Wes Hicks up to 3rd, and he is now one straight away. Couple going off from the straight. Meanwhile, as I was saying, there's Wes Hicks in the green buggy. Going to let the leader go. Behind him, it is a gaggle of cars. Let's find out who's going to be in 4th. Keebler, that's going to be, I'm sorry, Joe Snows, that's 3rd place right there with you. 2nd place. Thank you. Woo, man, hang on to it. They're dicing it up back here. That is Joe Snows, Brian Moore, Kenny Danley, all racing for 3rd place. 4th place. As Wes Hicks trying to get away. Wes is about to get lapped by your 2nd place car, David Keebler. A lot going on in this one. This is a busy one. Meanwhile, your leader, the purple and white, Chance Wolf, just kind of on a Sunday cruise at this point. David's got to be the one that's pressing him. You can see the gap there. Last time around it was 5.5 seconds. We'll check it this time. It's going to be 5.7. So Chance gains just a little bit. Wes Hicks is in the 3. Wes is right there in front of your 2nd place car. That's how the gap is so large. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Meanwhile, Brian, Joe, all those guys duking it out there in the middle for 4th place. There's a leader down the straight. Follow him for a while. 2 minutes left on the clock, just under 2 minutes. to go on the clock. Top three kind of figured out. Fourth place is 10 seconds behind Les Hicks, Joe Snows, and Kenny Danley are running fourth and fifth. Ryan Moore again is not too far back there in the sixth spot. 1 minute to go. Closest race to watch is between Joe and Kenny. Oh, Kenny just rolled it over. So Joe Snow's going to get a little bit of a reprieve. Joe's one of the status runner. Expert and independent buggy today. Your leader. In the far end of the track now. Over that first tabletop. Dropping down to get by part of the corner up over the big jump in front. Swinging around in the soda dumps. Now down the straightaway. Best lap is a 14th lap from David Keebler. Fortunately, he's just a little ways behind this point. 4.2 seconds still. Minutes. Could be worse. I'm sure he wants to be closer at this point. They're both going to get the extra lap. Cross the line, you're going to be done. And that's it. Everybody that's out there is done. Expert, aiming, champion.